You rarely see this part of Benidorm on our channel. For some reason, we almost never show it to you guys, but it's packed up with services. We are right next to the Hotel Prince Park, 3-star hotel situated right near the giant green Legua Park, where there's tons of cheaper hotels and plenty of services. Like this one, a private health clinic and a hospital HCB that works actually with quite a lot of private insurances and travel insurances that people get whenever they travel here to Spain for the holidays. And in case something happens, you could go technically to this hospital right here. In front, we have the Hotel Prince Park. It is 3-star hotel. Nothing too fancy, obviously, because it is a 3-star hotel, but it's clean, it's neat, it's tidy, and it's quite cheap. It is located right here in the heart of Benidorm, slightly further along from different types of nightclubs and entertainment. And many people use it, especially because it has a good location. It is slightly quiet, unless you have celebrations happening, which is when this Legua Park turns itself into a giant celebration, and then it's quite difficult to actually sleep in this hotel. But all the rest of the year, it is very nice and very affordable. I know that plenty of our subscribers do stay somewhere here in this particular area. This is the Legua Park. This is the giant stage where all the ending parts of the parades of the Benidorm Fest, of the Benidorm Pride Parade, the end concert was here. In general, different concerts usually take place in this specific location. There's also some popular bars about and around. And honestly, accommodation options here are cheaper because it's not the front line of the Levante beach. It's not the most popular avenue. There's plenty of apart hotels here located, by the way, too. So if you're looking for a budget option for your holidays, this might be just the best option for you guys. And it's a straight road, and you're in the heart of Benidorm in no time, right by the shopping alley and the Levante beach and the old town. Here is some cafeterias. Primavera Cafeteria, typical local cafe. Coffee and toast or croissant, $2.40. If you want it with a juice, $3.60. That is still very cheap. Usually these typical Spanish breakfast, coffee, juice, and a toast cost about €4.50. And here it's just $3.60. That is not expensive at all. Not expensive at all, even for this area. By the way, here in front, you'll see the name of the street. You can go backwards a little bit to check it out. There's Mercadona supermarket here, which is great. It's a typical Spanish supermarket. Not the cheapest one, but still available. And teeny tiny streets with some nice restaurants. This is, although it is like a typical Spanish tapas bar, they call it, but it is not a Spanish bar as per se. They have a lot of Peruvian food in it. Although for some reason they call it a tapas bar, but this is like a Peru. Oh, it's half Spanish, half Peruvian, probably. That's interesting. We've never seen it before. If you've been to any of these places here, share, as usual, your experience here in the comment section down below. Write down if you've liked any of these places, if you did not, or maybe there is some place that you really enjoyed during your holidays and you would want people to know which place it is and if you can recommend it or not. Maybe something to avoid. Maybe it's quite the opposite. Let us and all the rest of fellow travelers know, because this is a very valuable information many people might be seeking online and not finding it. Mercadona supermarket right here. This is full of typical Spanish fruit, vegetables, but honestly, mostly locals go here unless you are on self-catering. Then it might be good for you. But if it's not the case, I would recommend you to go to nearby typical markets. There is an authentic market slightly upwards from here where we started the video, next to the tram station, authentic Spanish market. And then you have the Rincon de Loix market, which is straight, and on the left, it's slightly further along from here, but you could technically still go walking if that's not an issue for you, or with a mobility scooter. Some restaurants here nearby, not sure how they survive because I never see so many people in them. Usually there's just a couple of tables. Loveliest Primavera Park. We've been there inside. We've shown you the complete video about it. We've shown you the rooftop terrace. And right next to it, there's Michelangelo, which are apartments for rent. These are like short-term holiday apartments, like a month or a winter season. Very, very nice ones, and people seem to like it quite a lot. And once again, it is affordable. It is right here next to the city center. It's close to all the facilities. You can go walking to the beach, to the old town, to the local entertainment and show areas. And then there's this place, which was called like this, Jack and Coke, but for some reason they closed down, and I'm not seeing them open for quite a while. So I suppose they are gone, or maybe waiting for some better ideas to come or something happened, but it is officially closed. Never seen so many people inside of it either. So maybe that was the reason why. More hotels right there in front. Will be there in no time. And the Primavera Park here, a lovely hotel. It is new, relatively new. It's been a couple of years. It's a loveliest pool area. They have very nice rooms, very spacious rooms, by the way. On the top, they have also a bar, cafeteria, rooftop terrace, and just a very nice place to be, honestly. We've been there. We've shown it to you guys in our hotels and campings playlist, and honestly, really enjoyed the style. Plenty of couples, just groups of friends are arriving here, but it is a very cozy 4-star hotel. It's like a chic place. Very nice, classy touch to it. Good hotel. Not cheap, though. It is one of the more expensive options. In front, we have the Bristol Hotel. Many people love it. I know some of our subscribers are fans. And they have this gorgeous terrace right there at the top with some pool. Like a small pool right there. This one's a newer... What are these? These are mosquitoes? What is this? Oh, what are these? That is bizarre. I think that's because of the very strange weather that we're having. What in the world? I think it's because of all this strange weather that we've been having. It was really humid, and now it's really hot back again. We need to put our sun hats back again and sunscreen. So it's really strange. Maybe that's why there's so many. Maybe they're mosquitoes or like, I don't know, any other type of bugs. But that is strange. I've never seen so many. Did you see it? Wow, that's insane. On the right side from us, actually, we have the Hotel Agua Azul. This is a part of the hotel's chain, Sun Comfort, I think they're called, if I remember correctly. They also own the hotel, the Albir Gardens, sports and bike family resort, mostly for sports groups and families in summer, especially in Albir. So they have also Agua Azul, which is this one. And it is a very popular hotel, by the way. Plenty of people stay here. And this is how the streets are called, Calle Emilio Ortuño. We have Benidorm Plaza. 4-star hotels. From the outside, it looks slightly outdated. It looks like probably maybe American style. And on the inside, though, it is nice. It is also not the most expensive option. Many people, especially Spanish, love this hotel for some reason. Many Spanish stay here, and also international tourists. 4-star hotel right here in Benidorm. It's not the newest design. It's one of the hotels that preserve the older style, but people still do arrive here, and it is quite busy. We have RH hotels here too. This is like a hotel square. There's so many of them in this area. RH Victoria right here nearby. This is a very nice hotel. Some of these, for example, this one here, they are adults recommended. Hotels cannot say adults only because it is not legal. But saying adults recommended, that is the correct way of stating so without breaking the law. So this one here on the left is the adults recommended. Royal and Victoria right in front. Lovely hotels. Honestly, people do stay here. We know a lot of our subscribers who are fans. They have a lot of useful facilities, comfortable common areas, terrace here to sit down. Royal has slightly more entertainment at night and shows up until later hours. Overall, these ones have been changed, especially Victoria on the inside. It's slightly more refurbished. It's like the style is slightly different. It's more like chic style and people love it. It's just a couple of streets, literally right behind it. We have the beginning of the British Street. That's how close it actually is. Very convenient. Prices are also quite affordable here. And if you don't want to go anywhere too far away, even if the British Street is just 100 meters away from here, and the triangular square, the techno hit, all the entertainment that you can find, here there are some more cafeterias. Typical ones, this is like all in one. It's ice cream place, it's a cafeteria, it's a restaurant, it's a cocktail place, it's a pizzeria, it's everything literally in one single space. Menu of the day, $16.90. 2 main courses and a drink and a dessert. Basically, that's not bad. For $16.50, that's not bad at all. Shuttle direct. Okay, that's to get a shuttle bus towards the airport. There's some different types of businesses here. I'm not too sure if anyone still goes to the travel agencies. Usually we don't go anymore. But there's still some travel agencies here. Supermarkets. And a traveler cafeteria. That's interesting. Oh, this is packed up. They have some English breakfast here. They have some drinks, some snacks, some food. This is busy. This is definitely busy. Wow. And right there in front, we have the Hotel Princesa. Also a great hotel to stay. It's very big though. So if you're not a fan of like big hotels, then that might not be the best thing for you. But if you don't mind, might be an incredible place to actually stay in Benidorm town. So plenty of places here to grab some drinks and some snacks. There's a sushi place right behind us. We've never tried it before, but we were always curious. Kinzo Sushi. We've seen people go inside, but don't know if it's actually a good place to go or not. Let us know if you've been to any of these and which ones of these hotels would you choose for your future holidays in Benidorm if you could. Thank you for accompanying us in today's short walk down streets we don't show you so much, down the forgotten streets of Benidorm town. We hope you enjoyed it and we hope you got to see maybe the hotel where you are actually staying very soon, or maybe your favorite area. Stay tuned for more latest videos on the channel Benidorm by Anna.